Welcome to 5 Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Our assembly engineers don't just put parts together, they build machines that customers can trust. Today, 5 intelligent 6-color Flexo printing machines are being assembled simultaneously, a reflection of our engineering capability, skilled workforce, and streamlined manufacturing process. Every frame is positioned with precision. Every roller is aligned to exact tolerances. Every gearbox, bearing, shaft, and drive system is assembled with meticulous attention to detail. Every electrical connection is checked, verified, and tested before moving to the next stage. Our engineers eliminate these risks before the machine reaches the customer's factory. Each assembly stage undergoes rigorous quality inspections to ensure every machine delivers the strength, stability, and reliability expected from 5 Fingers Exports. Assembling 5 machines at the same time isn't just about speed. It's about maintaining the same uncompromising quality, precision, and engineering standards across every single machine. Because our customers don't just invest in equipment. They invest in a team that builds every machine with precision, passion, and purpose.